Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Reference here, and we got my friend close to like 12:37, and it came on the radio saying he has to switch over the track to like the second track. They're not the closest track to us, but the second track, because I heard on the radio 284 is supposed to really be gone, but I heard it's still around, having working with the Lakeshore Limited on something about connecting together. I don't know why they would be doing that, but I didn't hear anything about, unless one of them is having engine trouble, but I didn't hear anything about that on the radio for that 284 Empire service or Lakeshore 48. But yeah, and then the dispatch, then it came on the way to by dispatch saying my friend has to be on the second track and might have to stand by for a little bit, or once he passes us or somewhere wherever he's gonna stop for a sec. The signal's green near us, but maybe he has to stop close to somewhere else towards Colville or something, because to let the Lakeshore double-headed train out on track 1 to get out, because I heard they will stop at the station or even definitely the train yard on track 7, because they said the 40 had to back up to onto the 284 or something like that. But here comes our friend though. Yep, and there he goes. Yeah, and that was the friend who just spoke on the radio after that CSX spoke.